Hey guys, welcome back. I am out here at Twin Lakes in Lancaster, Ohio. I'm gonna be doing a fishing rod, reel, and bait review. The Googan Squad reaction rod casting is what I'm gonna be, and then I have the Garcia Vengeance Tactical, and then for the bait that we're gonna be trying is going to be this Q8. Yep. Q8 Superbait. It's a bleeding bait technology, emits continuous scents. I've already opened these, looked at them a little bit. That's my boy. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys already. These I'm about to show you, okay? These baits, the bait that that these guys sent me. I'm not paid by them or nothing of the sort. You guys can already see the biggest problem here, to me personally, is having to clean all this gunk up. The fact that it's already missing all kinds of legs. They are in just yeah. What? They're just in like the prototype stage, is what he was telling me. They're not very stretchy. They're, you know, they don't have too much give, but they are it's a biodegradable substance, water-based. And they say that you can recharge these, absorb them with any water-based scents, for a 12-hour soak. This is by the Aquatic Nutrition Q8 Super Baits. And they're almost all of them are like that. They're all kind of missing the legs. You know, like that's crazy. I get it. It's in prototype stage, but the biggest thing I have to say about this, haven't even fished it yet. It's a good effort, I guess you could say, but the legs to me just are kind of crazy. They're not super stretchy. You know, I don't know how long these are gonna last, and maybe 1 or 2 times per. Pick that up. I got 2 packs, 2 different colors. That's what they just sent me. And this is how they came. This is how they come. Practically melted together.
Mommy?
Missing legs.
Mommy? Mom? Mommy?
But we do want to try them. Like, the legs are missing completely. It's kind of got like a, you know, if I'm critiquing, it's got like a little hole in here. But they are water-based.
Yeah,
biodegradable. They say if you leave them out, you leave that pack open, then they will like almost dry up overnight. But we're gonna try them. I got one on the fishing rod, and we'll see you out there. Alrighty, guys. I've been fishing it for maybe 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna try it out for a little bit longer, but this bait has no action. It doesn't move. Like I said, it's super stiff. I got it like Texas rigged. But the rod and the reel, I've been using the reel for, you know, 2-3 days now. The Googan Squad reaction rod. Googan Squad reaction rod is it's the stuff. It's a pretty nice rod. I don't know what deal they have on right now, but I just got mine. I can tell you that the shipping process was absolutely horrible. Shipping process was absolutely horrible. The way it was packaged was good. And I get it's not just about, you know, Googan The USPS had some issues, but they had sent me one on February, or I ordered it February 10th, so a month ago, a little over a month ago. And then I received the first rod I got 3 days ago. And then the second one, I just received the second one, and they shipped it out on like the 27th, I think. So that one got here a lot quicker. But the first rod, like I said, probably on USPS. That's the issue, I'm sure. But I do want to just put that out there, that this also, I saw a review about this as well, that they never received it. So maybe this is a problem that just happens. And then, like I said, we got the Abu Garcia Vengeance Tactical. It is a 7-bearing, and this has been solid. I think it came pre-spooled with like 15-pound mono, or not mono, but fluorocarbon. And then the reaction rod, Googan Squad, it's a 7.2, one piece, and I absolutely have loved both of those. Hey guys, caught my first fish for the year. Yeah, let's get her off the hook.
Let me see. Let me do it. Oh my god. Look how he caught it. Barely fucking on there.
It's on there.
You want me to do it?
I got it. I'm not a bitch. Stop breathing on me. Yeah, you do it. That's not fucking fair, homie.
One of the cool things I liked about this rod was the fact that you could measure it on the rod. So, like I was saying, on the rod, there's a ruler.
Wow, Dad.
And we is looking at
They look
7 inches.
He caught a 7-inch.
If you guys did like the video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.